My name is Rubbie Groves-Clay, broker of Clay Realty Group and author of Get a Hold of Your Darn Finances. And today I want to talk to you about my financial literacy program here in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm just not promoting a book. I am building a financial literacy movement. With over 30 years in the real estate industry, I've watched hardworking people get denied loans, not because they didn't have the income, but because of lack of credit, budgeting, poor money management. Let's face it, many of us weren't taught about how money works. What I'm seeing now is deeper than bad habits. It's a cycle. People are working and they're earning money and they're doing as much as they can. But with incomes not keeping up with inflation, we're still falling behind. Even when we make the money, we're still at the bottom of the totem pole in housing, healthcare, and wealth. And this has to change. Right now, we are in a financial crisis that is shaking families to their core. And with this administration, there are still storms coming, especially with Section 8. They're going to dismantle it. It's going to hurt America, yes, but it's going to devastate Black America. And the other is the Postal Service, where approximately 29% of the employees are African American. These are mothers, fathers, providers, caregivers, people doing everything they can to hold it together while the pressure keeps rising. I saw long ago what the gap was in our community. And I created the book, the workbook, and the course. I just didn't want to hit the adults. I wanted the future, the youths. They need to know how money works. I don't want to see another child grow up and say, I was never taught how money works. Not on my shift. The work is in motion, but I need your help. I need your help to take this movement to another level, state by state, community by community, so that everyone has access to these life-changing tools and knowledge. You're not just choosing an author. You're choosing a woman on a mission to make an impact. This is about breaking cycles, building legacy, and changing the financial future of our communities, one family at a time. Bye-bye. Stack it up and watch your money grow. Get a hold of your finances.